Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can add preferences on smoke status. Maybe you don't want to date a person who is smoking, so you want to add preferences about the smoking status. Check the video description and we'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then in here, you'll need to tap on this heart button for it to be directed on the Facebook setting. In here, tap on the settings. And then in here, as you can see, the ideal match. Here below, you'll see the advanced preferences. Tap on this drop down button and scroll down and you'll see in here the smoking. Tap on the smoking. And here you have four options, either no preference, never, occasionally, and often. And here, if you don't want to be person who is smoking, simply tap on this checklist beside the never option. And then also, you can turn this on if this is a strong preferences. Tap on the save button at the upper right corner of your screen. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add preferences under smoking status, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add preferences on smoking status, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.